In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Walmart app for curbside pickup. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to download and sign in or create an account. So install the Walmart app on your iOS App Store or Google Play. Sign in with your Walmart account or create one if you don't have one. Now from here, we want to go ahead and set your store. So tap the pickup and delivery option, enter your zip code or allow location access. Choose your nearest Walmart store that offers pickup. Then simply shop for items. So browse categories or use the search bar. Make sure the item says pickup available. Then add those items to your cart. Then from here, we want to go ahead and schedule that pickup. So go to checkout, select pickup as your delivery option. Pick a date and time slot that works for you. Confirm your payment method and place the order. Then from here, check notifications. So Walmart will send you email app updates when your order is ready. You'll get a ready for pickup notification once the store has packed your order. Then from there, you want to check in before you arrive. So open the Walmart app, tap check in when you're store or when you're on the way so the store knows you're coming. The app uses GPS to update your arrival time. Then pick up at the store. So follow the grocery pickup signs. So these look similar to this. These can be orange or blue. Parking and designated curbside spot. In the app, let them know your parking spot number and car color. A Walmart associate will bring your order to your car and load it for you. Then confirm and leave. So you may need to show your order confirmation, a digital or printed. Once your items are loaded, you are good to go. Now there are a few tips on this. So Walmart pickup is free, but the minimum order is usually around $35. And also you can edit or add items to your order until a cutoff time is shown in your app. If something is out of stock, Walmart may offer substitutions. You can accept or decline them in the app.